The way they welcome me from gates, all the teams, the Begala, they start, clapping up to the time that I entered the main office. I signed the contract, came down, they even brought cake. Like it's my birthday, everybody, there, we cut the cake. That one is so, I'm hyper happy. I can't even express the way I feel at the moment. Kai, I have nothing to say, just I'm, wishing you the best and may Allah help us. Number one, I'm gonna use my social media handle like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. Beside that is YouTube, which now has been described as a new era TV. That now our people in the north, they were more conversant with the YouTube. So through the YouTube, I'll make sure that all my people from the north, they will be aware. And how to use the Roku apps. My people from the north, they are gonna benefit from it. So that's why I decided to become ambassador, so that I can tell them anything about it with my mother tongue. That's Hausa. My fans all over the world. So now I'm a Roku apps member. So I'm calling to you, my fans, to go and download in the App Store and Play Store. So and register it. I'm very sure you're gonna benefit a lot from it. One love. Rock out to the world. That's the word that I feel like.